What if I told you there is a man who has not slept in over 40 years? Not a single nap, not a single moment of rest. And yet, he is alive, fully functional, and strangely healthier than most people in his age. This is not a legend. This is the story of Thai Ngop, the man who never slept. Our story begins in a quiet village in Vietnam. In 1973, Thai Ngop, a simple rice farmer, caught a fever. A high one. Days passed. The fever broke, but something strange happened. That night, he couldn't sleep, nor the next night, nor the next week, or the month after, and then years. At first, his family thought it was just stress. Doctors were puzzled. They ran tests, but nothing seemed wrong. No brain damage, no hormonal imbalances, no sign of fatigue. Thai Ngop was wide awake day and night, working in the fields, walking miles, even lifting heavy loads like any other farmers. He tried everything: herbal teas, medicines, massages, even alcohol, but nothing worked. The man simply couldn't sleep, yet he never yawned, never slowed down, never seemed tired. Locals started calling him the sleepless farmer. Some feared him, others worshipped him. Was he cursed, gifted, or proof of something since couldn't explain? And that's where it gets even stranger. You had expect a sleepless person to go insane. But not Thai Ngop. His memory was sharp. His body was strong. He rarely got sick. He even claimed he felt more productive without sleep, working his fields under the moonlight. In 2007, journalists from around the world visited him. He welcomed them with a warm smile and wide open eyes. They watched him through the night. No sleeping pills, no secret naps, just endless activity. Experts argue that his body might have adapted in a rare way, possibly entering microtest states that don't look like sleep. Some believe he might be a medical mystery. Others believe he is hiding something. So, what does it mean to never sleep? Is it a miracle of nature, a medical puzzle, or something more spiritual? To this day, Thai Ngop remains sleepless. Decades have passed, and still his eyes haven't shut. Maybe he is the future of human evolution, or maybe he is a reminder that the human body is more mysterious than we will ever understand. The man who never slept is still awake, somewhere in Vietnam, watching the stars when the world dreams. What would you do if you never had to sleep again? If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more unbelievable true stories.